Today we have got new reports from Dr. Hussam Abu Safieh in Kamal Adwan Hospital in North Gaza.
There are approximately 50 martyrs, including 3 of our medical staff, under the rubble of a building opposite Kamal Adwan Hospital after an airstrike by the occupying forces. Dr. Ahmed Samar, a pediatrician, was working in the hospital and went out to the tower where he lives with his family. As for Esra, the laboratory technician, she went out to bring food for her father and brother in the same building, and they were immediately targeted in an airstrike from an Israeli F-16.
They are a terror army executing terrorist attacks on the Palestinian people.
When Fairs, the maintenance technician, saw the scene, he rushed to try to rescue what he could, and unfortunately, he was also targeted, resulting in the martyrdom of 3 of our medical staff and 50 others under the rubble.
They respect no Palestinian life. They respect no international law.
As for the paramedics, Abu Majid and Maher, they were on their way to the hospital near Zaid Roundabout, which is 500 meters from the hospital, when they were targeted and martyred instantly, and their bodies remain in the street where no one can reach them.
They have been reporting that Israeli robotic tanks, they don't even have the courage to fight themselves. They send in robotic tanks that are unloading explosive charges around the hospital, exploding them remotely, damaging the hospital and injuring and killing hospital staff and patients.
It is another dark day in the ongoing series of crimes against Kamal Adwan Hospital and its staff.
Israeli sadistic attacks on civilians in Gaza and in the West Bank continues through the Christmas holidays. We have to continue our solidarity work. We have to continue to increase the pressure on our governments. And don't forget that more than 50 heads of state had the time and the opportunity to get together in Paris a few weeks ago to celebrate the reopening of Notre Dame Cathedral. These state leaders need now to go together and stop Israel and stop the United States. And as the Pope said, this is not war, this is cruelty. And I add, this is not war, this is a sadistic cruelty from the Israelis. And we salute the bravery of the staff in Kamal Adwan hospitals.